what's up YouTube fam? Thank you for joining me again. It is one Sunny B. So today we are doing another unboxing, try on, and review for Nordstrom's Trunk Club. So let me tell you a little bit about the Trunk Club. So first and foremost, they are not a subscription service because you really determine on your own how frequently you want to receive the boxes. So if you want to receive them, monthly, you can sign up for that, or you can choose to just have a box sent at your discretion. So they're not per se a subscription service, but they are a clothing stylist service per se. The cost for the service is $25 anytime you have a trunk shipped out. And then that $25 gets credited towards your final purchase, whatever you decide to keep. It is my understanding that if you decide to keep nothing, the $25 fee does not roll over. You pretty much would lose that fee, so it would benefit you to purchase something in the box. The typical prices of the items in the box can range anywhere from $40 an item and upwards to $300 an item, just depending on what type of pieces you're looking for. They offer not only clothing, but they offer shoes, handbags, and coats, jackets, outerwear as well. I'm not 100% sure if they offer jewelry or not, but I did not request any jewelry pieces in my box in particular. But, oh yeah, the $25. The $25 fee is waived for those who are Nordstrom card members. So that's just good information for you guys to know. I am not a Nordstrom's card member, and this is not a sponsored video. This is just my input on my experience with the Trunk Club service. So this is my first box, and I figured I'd share it with you guys. So thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe. So let's see what we have. As you can see, here are the items that were included in my Trunk Club. On the side panel inside pocket, you will receive a note from your stylist along with instructions on what to do. And then if you open the pamphlet, you will find a detailed itemized list of each item that is included in the trunk, along with the size information, brand, and pricing. And then you see there's a return shipping label. And also one other thing I did not show in the box is that there are strips to close or tape the box back together before you contact UPS to pick up your package. Here I'm just showing the 2 pairs of shoes that were included in this month's Trunk Club. I did not take pictures of these individually and include pricing information, but I'll be sure to include that information in the description below. Almost true.
Mom, he got you some stuff.
Okay, I'm back. So here's my overall first impression of my first Trunk Club box. All in all, I like the quality of the material of the items that I received. There were a couple of pieces in there that I thought was, overpriced, but I guess for Nordstrom, that may just be regular pricing. I'm not sure. I have never shopped at Nordstrom's before. But the satin blouse, the white satin blouse, I won't be keeping, nor will I be keeping the pretty blue, royal blue Gibson V-neck halter top. Although both shirts were extremely comfortable and they were very pretty, they're about $60 a piece. I just didn't feel like those shirts had enough to make me pay $60 for them. I loved the way the cut from the Kloth jeans felt, but they were just too long for me. So I'll try to see if and they were bootcut, and I prefer straight leg jeans. So I'm gonna try to see if I can find something equivalent to that in a straight leg for maybe a future trunk, but I will not be keeping any of the pants from this trunk. But I will be keeping one pair of the black shoes, and that will be the Caslon Luna Pointy toe flats in black. Those are $89.95. And I will be keeping the Daisy Society rhyme top made by Madewell, the red shirt. Love that top. Love the design, love the color. It really pops. Looks great with a pair of jeans, so I definitely have to keep that. That's $72. And the Hot Summer Nights Almost Ready Smocked jersey peplum top. That's also made by Gibson. It is in black. Love the material of that shirt. I love the way it felt. I love the concept that you could either pair it with a pair of jeans or pair it with some dress slacks and it'll still look nice. And like I said, the material was super comfortable, so I couldn't not get that shirt. But other than that, everything else I'm sending back. So I received 11 items in total. 2 shoes, 3 pair of pants, and then 2 dresses, and then 4 tops. So that's what I received in all. So for everything that I'm keeping, my total is going to be around $211. That does not account for the $25 styling credit that I will receive, so a little bit under $200. But I use a website called Declutter to sell kind of like some of the old things from around our house. So like old gaming consoles, smart watches, old cell phones we weren't using anymore, DVDs, old books, even school books. And I just sold those recently and just got my PayPal payment from them for about $70 for stuff that we got rid of. So I'm also going to use that money from Declutter to pay for this as well. So all in all, out of pocket, I probably will be spending around $140 if the other Declutter credit that I'm waiting for comes through, which was about $30. So I'll be spending $110 out of pocket for 2 shirts and a pair of dress shoes, which I have a hard time finding shoes that fit me well, especially heels. I have flat feet, so these flats really felt comfortable. I had to insert my insole on the inside because I wear a size 11. Well, my feet are really smaller than an 11, but typically people don't sell 10.5s. So I have a really hard time finding shoes that fit comfortably in women's shoes. So once I put my insoles in there, they fit perfect. They did not, move around on my feet. So I'm definitely gonna keep those black shoes and wear them to work, and I can, wear them on the weekend when I want to be casual too. So I was really excited that I found those pairs. So thank you to my stylist, whose name is Malaya Hansen. So I'm gonna include a link below, a referral link. you know, if you like what you're seeing, or, you know, you like what I shared, please like, rate, and subscribe. Be sure to click on the referral link below. If you do, I'll get a $50 credit once you spend your first $50, and then you'll get a credit towards your trunk as well. So thank you for joining me. I appreciate you guys. Please continue to give me feedback and comments. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what you thought. What did you think about the outfits, or was there anything that you saw that you would like for yourself? But one other thing I forgot to mention: when you receive your Trunk Club box, you have 5 days to try the items on and return them. The great thing about Trunk Club is once you log into the app or onto the site and let them know what you want to keep, you can also schedule a free pickup. So UPS will come by your home and pick up the items that you want to return for free. So that's great. They come right to your doorstep and get that box. So that's definitely one perk of benefit of using the Trunk Club. And let's see. Oh, and you can also give feedback to your stylist, which I definitely did do. Just letting her know my disdain for some of the pants that I received were bootcut, and I had specifically asked for straight leg pants, but all the pants that I received were bootcut, which they just don't look good on me. So that's the only downside, but I am glad she did find a pair of cut from the Kloth jeans for me to try on that I had heard a lot about and had heard how comfortable they were. So I'm glad I got a chance to experience that for myself. I will be seeking a pair of my own that fit me the way that I want and that are straight leg jean. So I'm looking forward to that, and I'm looking forward to the next trunk from Trunk Club. So good job, Malaya. Appreciate you trying to get my style down pat, and I look forward to working with you to further hone my style.